Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with League of Legends. Whenever you're trying to launch the game, you got the error, failed to launch, something unusual happened while trying to launch League of Legends. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's proceed with the basic troubleshooting. First of all, if you have installed a program with the name Citrix, make sure you completely uninstall them. However, if you really need this program, then right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. In this services menu, you will find a program with the name app protection service. You need to press the A key and find that particular program. I have not installed this game, that's why it is not showing right over here. Once you find the program, double click on the program. If the service status is running, you need to click on the stop option to stop the service at once, and under the startup type, make it as disabled. Then you need to hit the apply and OK button. This will go ahead and disable app protection service of Citrix. This way you will be able to use Citrix and able to play the game. If this doesn't fix, you do not need to launch the game right from this desktop menu. Click on start menu, type League and simply launch the application right from this application to launch the game. Now if this method also doesn't work, first of all go ahead and open Roid client. Go ahead and log in. Once you are logged in, first of all click on the option League of Legends, and here is the trick. Right in this system tray, click on this up arrow key, and here if you find a program with the name Roid Vanguard, simply right click and choose the option exit, and as soon as you click on the exit option, go ahead and launch the game League of Legends within seconds, else you will not be able to play the game. These are simple basic fixes that help you launch League of Legends. Now if these methods doesn't help you fix out, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting step. Go ahead, head over to this PC, C drive, Roid Games, League of Legends, scroll down, and here you will find three applications with the name League. League Client UX and League Client UX Renderer. You need to right click on each of the option available, click on the option show more options. Now here you will find the option of troubleshoot compatibility. Go ahead and click on it. Now once the option came, simply click on the option yes. From these options, choose any of the option available, and once you get the option of do you want to apply recommended settings, go ahead and click on the option yes. Once applied, again hit the yes button, go ahead close it. You need to do the same with League Client UX as well as League Client UX Renderer, and once you have done with all three applications, make sure to restart your PC. After restarting, go ahead, launch League of Client, and this will fix out the issue of something unusual happened while trying to launch League of Legends. If this failed to work out, again head over to C drive, Roid Games, League of Legends, scroll down, right click on League Client, choose the option show more options, click on the option send to and select the option desktop. Now right click on it, choose the option properties. Under the target, whatever is written, select all and delete it. After that, you need to copy this particular command which I will share you in the description of this video. Copy it, paste right over here. Once pasted, hit apply and OK button. This will go ahead and disable patching for you and in turn help you fix out the issue. Next time, if you want to play League of Legends, you need to launch this shortcut icon to play the game. If all this method fails, the last hope you have is to uninstall every application from Gigabyte. Either it is App Center or it is EasyTune, System Information, Fast Boot, or any Cloud Station or any backup and security. I mean, if you have installed any application from this Gigabyte, make sure you completely uninstall these applications as they are the main cause for not launching League of Legends. So after uninstalling, make sure to restart your PC, and once your system restart, you will be able to play the game League of Legends. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.